Hi, my name is Dan Allen, and I'm with Medicus USA and Foot Happiness. What we have today is a very unique shoe insole that provides a physiological benefit as well as shock absorption for use in industrial applications. To begin with, the product itself is dynamic in that it has a fluid inside that actually moves back and forth, as opposed to a static insole, which is an insole that really doesn't have any movement, but it does provide some comfort for the user. I will now demonstrate to you using this kind of a cute little device as to what the differences are. Taking this golf ball out, I'm going to demonstrate the effect of a golf ball when it hits concrete. And you can see that it doesn't take any of the impact away. And I'll use a common ordinary insole which will help to reduce impact considerably. But it still has some impact on the heel. The insole that we're currently using, the dynamic fluid fill insole, has a hydraulic effect in that when the golf ball goes down onto it, it basically doesn't bounce. It absorbs most of the impact, which is very important relative to reducing pain on the heel, on the knees, as well as on the back. Now, from a standpoint of the ability to increase blood flow, I don't know if you can see it or not, but every time the the heel is pushed down, it increases flow of fluid underneath the insole itself. Now, in doing so, it actually increases blood flow to the foot. And most of the causes of pain for industrial foot and leg pain and fatigue is a lack of oxygen to the muscles in the foot. This, in fact, increases circulation so you don't get swelling, and at the end of the day, the worker is able to actually go home and play with the kids and just have a nice time rather than having to sit with their feet up, waiting for their feet and their legs to recover. Now, if you'd like, I can show you a much larger video representation of that. Example of what happens when a person is actually walking on the insole. That you can see the heel strike and the compressive wave that goes up to the front of the foot. That compressive wave itself is very influential in increasing blood flow throughout the foot, ankle, up, lower extremities, even up as high as the back itself. And that's a significant difference between a static insole and a dynamic fluid-filled insole.